Welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show exactly how to edit a message you've already sent in Discord Mobile. This guide is fully updated, so no matter which version of Discord you're using, the steps will be clear and easy to follow. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, head straight to your messages. This is where all your chats and servers appear. You can edit messages both in private chats and server channels. So go ahead and tap on the conversation where the message you want to change is located. Next, scroll through the chat and find the exact message you want to edit. Maybe it's a typo, maybe you forgot to add something, or maybe you just want to rephrase what you said, whatever the reason. Discord makes fixing it super simple. Once you found your message, press and hold on it for a couple of seconds until a menu appears on your screen. From that menu, look for the option that says Edit Message. Tap it and you'll notice that your message pop-ups again in the text box, ready to be changed. Now you can edit the text however you like. You can fix spelling errors, add emojis, remove words, or even rewrite the entire message. It's completely up to you. When you're done, hit the send button just as you normally would. Discord will instantly update your message with the changes, and you'll see the word edited appear next to it to let everyone know it's been modified.